I can't wait to show y'all the color. Some of y'all might recognize it, some of y'all might not, but I'm super excited to get it open. Here we are with our 2001 Toyota Tacoma first generation. In the last video, we did put 3 heavy coats of primer on this truck. So what we're going to do today, we're going to take it in. We're going to take these fenders off, maybe take the hood off. We're going to block it all down. We're going to try to get some paint on this because we got the color. The color is here, and we're going to put it on it. So let's jump to it right now. We got our paint in, man. We got this paint in. We're about to open it up, bust it open here. We're gonna spray some of it on these parts. I can't wait to show y'all the color. Some of y'all might recognize it, some of y'all might not, but I'm super excited to get it open. Cement. We're bringing this 2001 to 2021. That's cement. Man, these things are smooth. A little bit noisy here in the booth this evening. We're fixing to put the 30-30-30 waxy grease remover on the fender. Just got through doing the hood. We're going to spray some of this beautiful paint we just got. Alrighty, man, we got 3 good coats of base of that beautiful Toyota cement on this Toyota truck. And now what we're gonna do is mix up some clear coat. So I'm gonna hop to it here with the old mixing computer. I'm gonna mix up 2 cups of clear coat. We're gonna clear coat this thing with 2 heavy coats of clear coat with the Jet X 5500. JP's going to pick it up right now. Here goes JP with clear coat number 2. All right, man. Gosh, that Jet X, she was on fire tonight, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got a slick paint job on this Tacoma.
It's probably one of the slickest we've had in a while.
It is. It looks nice.
So all the prepping, all the primer, all the sanding that we did.
All that work pays off at the end.
Yeah, that's nice. Gosh, this thing is going to be nice. I hope y'all like the color. We just brought this 2001 into 2021 with this cement. It's got a little metallic in it. It is a Toyota color, but gosh, the truck gonna be beautiful. I cannot wait to see this thing on the outside. Can you?
No, I can't either. It's gonna look as good as these orange and red. Orange looks a little better. It's gonna look real good outside.
That's just gonna look good outside in the booth. I tried to turn the flashlight on the camera just kind of show you how good it really looked. And you could see the metallic in there, but gosh, we got what, a whole gallon of that stuff?
We do. We got plenty.
So we got a gallon, so that means we can spray 2 gallons. I don't know how much we go through tonight.
Probably about a quart.
About a quart, so we'll put a quart. And the hood, you know, we had to paint that on both sides. So JP, he got his masking tape out there and putting them flames
Yeah, I mean,
on the underside.
I was doing the flames, and Hardwire himself here said, no go. He said something about this truck didn't have enough power for flames, but it does. One wheel spins good.
One wheel does spin good. You know, we did do that. But man, I'm excited. We've got to get that bed. We got to get focused, man. We got to get that bed. Everything is really good. You know, if y'all like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.